Hey guys, welcome to Choose the Trader. We're a little late today, but here we are. So 2 minutes into the market, we're going to trade. We're going to look at MARA, maybe AAL, maybe NEO. But right now, MARA is taking a dip. We're starting with $5,000, so trying to get $40 in the next 10 to 15 minutes. So right now, I'm going to place a bet or a buy order, sorry, for I want to say 200 shares at MARA. I'm gonna buy at market. So hopefully it fills me at a good price. Okay, we're at 788. So while that's going, let's take a look at AAL. I think they had some good news as of late. Their earnings report came out recently, so they should be doing pretty well. Let's go and buy 200 shares there as well. Maybe that's not a good price. Let's try to get it at 1105. So right now we have $3,000 left in our buying power. I'm starting off at 5,000. I've used 2,000 for Mara. I have a 1 minute chart here to the left, 5 minute chart here on the bottom. This chart right here is a 5 minute chart. So let's see how our investment on this screen is doing. Okay, we had a green 1 minute candle just a minute ago. Right now we're working on a second green candle, which is good to see. And AAL doesn't want to fill my 1105. I don't know why it's being stingy this morning. I'm not a greedy man. I just want enough money for gas and maybe a bagel. So while AAL is playing games, let's see how Neo is doing. These were our hero stocks last Friday. I don't want to repeat the same stocks. I want to try something new, but I need to see something moving. So Neo's not really moving either. Out of Neo and AAL, I think I want to take a chance on AAL. It's a newer stock for this channel. So you know what? Why not? But let's not do 200. Let's just do 100 because this stock doesn't look like it wants to move. We're gonna buy at market. Hopefully it fills me at 1107, not 1108, and it's gonna fill at 1108. Oh wait, oh 07. Come on. Okay, perfect. Oh 07. I can get maybe a few bucks off of this stock. I would be happy. Right now we're negative 300. I think this is the first time on the channel we're negative. We're negative $2, not 300. $3 now, $2. And the good thing about buying low, you can always average in. If you don't know what average in means, it means um, in a simple example, if I buy in 100 shares here and the price drops down to $11, I buy another 100 shares. My average for this stock is now, I want to say 103, between 103 and 104. So now any price above 103 or 104, I'm now in the green. I make some money because my second buy was lower. So it'll give me an average between 1104 and 1103. So you should always start off with a small buy order. Don't go too big too quick because then you'll have big losses as we're having now. But this is good for this channel because I feel like it'll be unrealistic to have back-to-back green days. I don't listen to those fake gurus who they're on their 100th day of being green. I'm like, okay, I'm out of here. So this is realistic right here. We're starting off with $5,000. We put 100 shares into AAL. I thought they had good news the other day. I could be mistaken. Right now we're down $5.50, which is fine. $6 right now. You can see on the bottom right here, which is fine because we did good last Friday. I think we made like 40 bucks. So 40 minus 5 is 35. That's fine. Can't, like I said, have all good days. Let's check up on Mara because I think I have more shares invested in Mara than I did AAL. And whoo, yeah, $8, and we're only down, or $10, and we're only down 5 cents from the stock. And the reason why we're down so much is because we, instead of 100 shares, we have 200 shares, right? So we our are doubling the amount that we normally would lose if we just stuck with 100 shares. Now I can do an average in here just to show you an example of how it works. So if I buy 200 shares at 780, it'll give me an average of 784. So if it comes back up to 784, I would literally break even, which is to my benefit right about now because the stock looks like it wants to plummet. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to do a buy order once it gets closer to 780. Oh, never mind. Might not have to. This might be a green candle right here. It's shaping up to be one. And I'm going to more so focus on Mara because we have more invested. And I would like to leave this day green instead of red. So let's kind of focus here before we go back to AAL and sell out. Come on. Looks like it wants to give us a green candle, this candle. You know what? When you study candles, you can see a pattern or what the market's doing and get ahead of the 8 ball instead of being behind it. So let me see. Let's buy another 200 shares right now because this thing is giving me money vibes for the money team. Oh, only bought 100 shares. I meant to buy two. No. Okay, we're filled. Filled in at a bad price, but hey, I only need this thing to go up maybe 4 cents. Okay, we're at $7. Hey, we can wash. Oh, 13 bucks. Holy camole. If I can get to 15, I am cashing out. Daddy's buying some new shoes. Sell. Cash money 25. Boom. Oh, I'm not even selling the whole thing. See, these are rookie mistakes I'm making right now. 18. Crap. Sell, sell, sell. So what I had. Okay, so let me catch myself. I initially had 200 shares at a certain price. I forgot what price it was. And I bought another 200 shares at a lower price. So it averaged me in the middle. Um, and what I was supposed to do is change this quantity right here that I'm circling the cursor around to 400 and then sell to where I would have been all out. But I left it at 200. So when I sold, it was showing me that I was still in the position. And I'm going crazy, panicking why, and I realized I only sold half. So it was my fault. I should have changed it to 400. Now that we have $21 under our belt and we feel good, we're gonna go to AAL and see that other stock. Sorry, AAL, and see if that stock is somewhat forgiving. Okay, so -$6 if you minus that from 21. I think we had 21 on the other stock. We are positive 15, which to me, hey, is a good day. Uh, because with these stocks, you can easily lose all your money. So anytime you have some green, just be fortunate and happy about it. So I'm going to cash out, not cash out, sell right now at market for 100 bucks. I mean 100 shares. Oops, change this back down to 100. Almost shorted this stock. And we'll get into shorts. Ooh, $9 loss. Crap. We'll get into shorts later on in the week or the month. Well, the month is about to end, but later on in the channel, show you guys that. Right now, I'm only focusing on what they call longs, which is positions that you place thinking that the stock's going to go up in price, but you can also bet down. So I'm going to end the video pretty much here. Just to do a little quick recap. So we made $21 on MARA, and we had a negative $9 at AAL, bringing us to a grand total. And this $9 at AAL was just me being slow on the trigger. But we had a grand total of 12 bucks. So another green day for us, 3 days in a row. Hopefully we can be like these fake gurus and say, oh, 100 days straight green. But that is to be seen. But yeah, thank you guys for checking out my channel again. If you haven't, please subscribe. Let me know what you think. If you want me to have a more realistic bank account that matches you, because I start off with 5,000, I can change it to 500 or 1,000. I've had days like that before where I only had a little bit to invest, or maybe you have 100,000 in your account and you would like to see a more riskier trader, I can do that as well. So let me know what you think, and God bless. Have a good day. Bye bye.